Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2. So we've had notification that the box is in the country. It probably got last week, was it, I believe, something like that, but we've had quarantine notification that it passed quarantine, passed customs, and then we had to pay the rest of the balance, which is about $950.
It's been about 3 months, right, since we sent our boxes off when we were back in the UK.
Yep, so you can look on the website once you've done it, you can look on the tracker and you can see where your cargo ship is on the way round. So it is now the morning of delivery. You pay your balance, then they will give you a call to arrange delivery or pick a date that you can have your box delivered. So we've gone for Tuesday. Early morning, so the night before you'll get a notification to say your box has come in between, and you get like an hour window, and you'll then get a phone call from the driver to say they're half an hour away. So at the moment it is now 7:30 in the morning. We've had the 5 to 8 and 5 to 9 window, so we're just currently waiting.
You don't get to pick the weather, so you just have to take potluck with that. Fortunately, it's dry at the moment. It does look like there could be a bit of rain, but we're okay. We're going to make space on the drive so that the van can pull right up to the garage, and then we should be all good.
Well, this time we have got a garage to put things in. Last time we had to go literally straight out of the path into the house, which was quite a bit of a pain on it, but this time literally open the garage door, chuck it all in. Well, it's been a day or two after. You'll be pleased to know the TV survived,
Yeah.
so that was a bonus. So have that packaged well. What was your making experience?
Yeah, we haven't been through all of our boxes and suitcases yet, so we don't know if everything is intact and obviously there. We saw that customs must have opened all of our suitcases because we had padlocks on them and all of the locks had been opened, and you can see we compared a picture from when we sent off the crate in the UK and when it arrived here, and you can see some things have been moved. But hopefully everything's still intact and everything's still there. Yeah, I mean, it was another smooth transaction, right?
Yeah, I mean, we dealt with a person called Dinesh, so a big shout out to this guy. Kind of helped us through step by step. They have got a helpline as well you can ring to get in contact with them if you've got any problems. If you look at our last video, there's kind of a step-by-step guide on how to fill out the forms and stuff like that, but pretty good service to be fair.
Yeah, Seven Seas guy, they're always friendly, always helpful. I don't think they have to help you load the stuff off, but we've always been very lucky to have that, and the guy certainly this time, he was more than happy to help us unload off of the truck. So yeah, I mean, can't fault that. Everything looks okay, and the TV is working and is in one piece, so everything else I'm sure is as well. So yeah, we're really happy, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we've also got the discount code that we'll stick on the screen now for you guys. That'll give you 10% off, so when you come to book your Move Cube.
Yeah, we certainly don't hope to head back to the UK, and we feel like we've shipped everything that we need to ship now. We've done a small cube and a medium cube, and we've also shipped a dog, not via Seven Seas, but
She had her own little cube.
there's nothing else left to ship. If we could ship our house, we probably would.
I don't know, maybe one day.
Let us know, Seven Seas, if you decide to take that up as a new venture. But I think we probably hope not to really have to use them again, just because we don't plan on moving again. But if we were, then we certainly would use Seven Seas again, because they've been great.
So there's a challenge for you guys. So a small move cube, 14 minutes from the time the man turned up in the van to the time you drove off. So there you go, there's a challenge for you. Let us know when you get your move cubes how long it's taken you to unload yours.
Yeah, good luck with your move. Don't forget to use the discount code. Grab yourself that discount for your shipping, and obviously moving's expensive, so every penny counts.
So there you go. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful for you.
So if you're enjoying the content, or if you're thinking of moving abroad, then please give us a like and a follow, subscribe, it's completely free, and
See you in the next one.